It is day 2 in the courtroom for Ahmaud Arbery's accused killers. The defense attorneys for the men pleaded for the judge to let a jury hear about Ahmaud Arbery's mental health records. CBS 46's Haley Mason is live outside the courthouse where that hearing just wrapped up. What was the conclusion today, Haley?
Well, Tracy, first I want to say that Ahmaud Arbery's mental health history has been one of the most sensitive parts of this case. And today, the conclusion was the judge really took a step forward toward letting that evidence into court under seal for now, so he can decide if it may come up in trial. The McMichael defense making a plea with Judge Timothy Walmsley to let them present evidence about Ahmaud Arbery's mental health challenges to a jury in trial in October.
This evidence is of paramount importance to the defense.
Greg and Travis McMichael, along with their neighbor William Roddy Bryan, are accused of chasing Arbery down with their trucks in February of 2020. Travis McMichael accused of shooting Arbery multiple times, killing him. Today, their defense attorneys trying to prove Arbery's own mental health challenges may have played a role in how the defendants approached him.
There, in the Lindstrom case, was a mental illness that caused misperception of reality, misperception of intentions.
Arbery had received a brief mental health evaluation by Gateway Behavioral Services at the request of his probation officer. The state challenges the accuracy of the diagnosis, schizoaffective disorder, made after a 2-hour evaluation by a nurse.
They're claiming self-defense against a man they did not know, a man who they saw running down the street. We've got about a 10-minute incident. Mr. Arbery says absolutely nothing during that entire 10 minutes.
The lead prosecutor argues releasing Arbery's health records violates his medical privacy and is still irrelevant to his killing.
He signed away his privilege. Well, he didn't universally sign away his privilege. It was for disclosure for Gateway back to his probation officer. And this was all to help Mr. Arbery. It's now being used against him.
It's not about the credibility of Ahmaud Arbery. And it is okay to recognize and celebrate who Ahmaud Arbery was in 2012 when he graduated high school, but it is reckless to disregard the mental health illness that plagued him for 8 years leading up to this moment.
And this is certainly a slippery slope that the defense has to bring up as they try to defend these accused killers here in court. The state maintaining that Arbery never spoke a word. So how would the McMichaels or Bryan know about his mental health challenges? Nonetheless, the judge is saying these medical records will stay under seal in the court as he decides what may be relevant if it is to come up in trial in October. Reporting live outside the Brunswick Courthouse, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.